Yo, what's happening, everybody? This is your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And people, if you're on an iPhone that's paired up to your Samsung watch, whether if it's a Gear S3 or Galaxy watch or whatever, and you're tired of running into this damn problem right here, okay, bet shawty just hit me up. Yeah, let me get this call. Cheeks are on deck. Wait a minute. I got this watch paired to my damn iPhone, so I can't receive calls on my damn watch. I gotta go find my damn iPhone. Where'd I put that motherfucker? Well, don't worry about it. Your boy Dan Teasy got you. I'm about to show you how to receive phone calls on your Samsung watch while you're using an iPhone. Let's go. Well, all right, everybody. Here are the steps that work for me. Man, I couldn't find these instructions or tutorials anywhere. So listen up close and listen up good. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your Samsung watch is paired up with your iPhone. I know that's obvious, but there's a lot of people out there that probably don't know that. Now, the second thing is that once the watch is paired up with your iPhone and everything, you want to go and attempt to make a phone call. You know what I'm saying? And go ahead and try it, like so. Now, when you do that, it's some prompts that's gonna pop up and tell you exactly what to do in the settings menu and all that. Now, here's the part that matters right here. So, usually when you go ahead and pair up a device and everything, let me go ahead and use my Face ID. You go to the settings menu, and it's usually the name of the devices that you got set up on Bluetooth, right? Like right there, the AKG and one Gear S3, usually, right? But from following those prompt instructions, it's gonna have you connect to a second Gear S3 account. As you can see, one says LE and the other one doesn't. You need both. One is for the mobile and one is for the phone calls. It is what it is, and it's just that simple. And people, let me go ahead and demonstrate a call for you. Let's go. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna call one of my favorite pizza places, Giordano's. Let's go. Y'all hear it ringing. Yes, could you tell me what's your address? Because I'm new in town.
Hello?
Yes, I'm new in town and I want to know what's your guys' address.
5311 South Blackstone Avenue.
All right, thanks a lot.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Y'all see that? It works on an iPhone. Your boy done hacked the code. I figured it out. It is what it is. If you like that right there, give your guy a thumbs up. That's what's up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm so happy because honestly, I like the rounded face watch better than the square watch. I mean, the square watches and everything. And people, I'm so damn thankful that I can do that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy, a thumbs up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because that's official. And if you have not yet, subscribe to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.